Public Services Librarian here at the Maitland Public Library. Today, I'll be showing you how to make two different frozen pet treats. One for man's best friend and one for your favorite feline. The special ingredient for these recipes will be bananas. You'll want to make sure that they are very ripe since we will be mashing them. It's easier to mash them down when they're soft. So let's get started. For the dog treat recipe, you will need 2 bananas and peanut butter. Make sure that the peanut butter you're using does not contain the ingredient xylitol. That ingredient is toxic for pets, so please make sure that your peanut butter does not contain that before feeding it to your dogs. But you will also need an ice cube tray or any sort of mold that you can put into the freezer to mold the treats. You can also include in the dog treats any hard treats that they currently have, or blueberries, something like that. Maybe cut up some carrots or some broccoli, get them some veggies. For the cat treats, you will need 1 ripe banana, and you will need a can of cat milk, as well as cat treats. Let's start off with the dog treat. You will need your 2 bananas, and we're just going to open them up and put them into this bowl. And as you can see, they're very soft. They're already breaking down on me. But this is a really great alternative for those really ripe bananas that you have and you maybe just don't want to make banana bread, don't have the time. This is super quick and easy, and it's a fun treat for your friends. Now that we've gotten our bananas into our bowl, we're just going to take a fork and mash them down. Now that we have our bananas all mashed into our bowl, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. I got my peanut butter in a squeezy tube just to make it easier to get into the spoon. Now that we've gotten the peanut butter into our banana mixture, we're just going to mix it all up. When you're done mixing, it should look something like this. Now they're ready to go into our molds. I'm going to do one side for the dog treats and the other side for the cat treats. If you're using a standard ice cube tray, then your mixture will probably make most of the tray, not all of it. But I just did 1/2, and this is what they look like so far. If this is the only frozen treat you're making, you can go ahead and pop them into the freezer, leave them overnight, and then take them out the next day. Now for the cat treats. You'll want to take your banana and just open it up and then put it into your bowl. And now we're going to mash them up. And if you have any browned pieces from your banana, make sure not to include those. We don't want to give our little pets a stomachache. Now that we've mashed the banana, we can go ahead and add the can of cat milk. I have have filled most of the container of cat milk into my bowl. You just want to make sure that you have enough cat milk in here that it's covering up the banana. And now we mix. You should end up with a liquidy mixture that looks like that. And now we will just pour them into the ice cube tray. You'll want to pour in halfway through the ice cube mold, and then we're going to pop in a few cat treats. And so that's going to create some volume. We just want to leave a little bit of space. Now that I've poured the mixture into the mold, I'm going to add the cat treats. Now our recipes are all done, so I'm just going to put the lid on the ice cube tray and pop it into the freezer overnight. So we'll check in again tomorrow once these are fully frozen. Now that our pet treats are frozen, let's open this up and see what they look like. Here is how they are looking just in the ice cube tray. Remember that these were the dog treats and these were the cat treats. So let's take a few out and put them on this plate and see what our final result is. And there we have it, delicious frozen pet treats for our furry friends.